Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to use Elementor or how to use Elementor to build your WordPress website. Now, for those of you who may not know how to get to the front page of your website, if you are in WordPress admin dashboard, you just come here and then you click on view site, then it will bring you to this particular place. Then when you come here, you will now click with edit with Elementor. If you don't already have Elementor plugin installed, and if you have not chosen a template for your website and you want to now install a template and a theme, I have done a detailed video on that earlier, which I will leave in the description of this video. You can follow that one to know if you haven't installed a template yet and if you have not installed the Elementor plugin. That one, you can follow that video in the description of this video. But for this one, is those who are already in Elementor and you want to know how to use it to edit. Now, to use Elementor to edit, this is how to do it. So when you click on edit with Elementor and it opens to this interface, you can just, so let's say you want to change this picture. You come and then click here. So this is a container or a section. So if you come and click on this particular box, you come to the style, okay? Then the picture is there. You can just click on choose image. Then you can add, you can change any picture you want. If you want to also upload it from your computer, just click on upload and then click on select. Then you go to your device and upload that picture. And then you can just, after you put it, then you publish it. Now, so each part of the website is what we call a section. So this part is a section, this is another section, and each of the sections are inside containers. This is another section that's inside the container. So if you want to design a particular section, let's say that particular section is not already there, then you want to design it. What you just do is you come to this, you click on a plus button. You see, so if I click on this plus button, it is going to, this one is going to add something at the top, but I don't really want to do it. Now, let me come down and show you. Let's say I want to add something at the bottom here. So you just come here, or let me do it here. So you just come here and click on the plus. You ask, you will choose the layout you want. So let's say I want it to be the flex box method. Then you come and choose how the layout, the structure will be. So this one, for example, this is a section that has 4 parts. So if you want it to have 4 parts or 3 parts, you come here, that will determine what you would choose. So for example, let's say I want to have 3 parts. So you just click on here. Then when you click here, so let's say I want to have some text, just like what you are seeing here at each of these places. So how do you do that? You can just come and then you click on this square box, then click on what text. So you can click on it, you can bring the text editor. Then you can even can bring another one here. Or let's say you want to put a picture at the middle one. I'm just going to undo it. So how do you undo? Control Z, then it will undo it for you. Let's say I want to put a picture in the middle. So just go and drag the picture and come and drop it. Then from there, you can just choose the picture you want and follow the same process again, put it and then update it. Then let's say you want to add text here again. So how do you do that? Just come here and then drag this one again. You see, so we have text here, we have text here, we have a picture here. If you also want to have text here, you can just delete it and drag one of these and drop it there. Okay, now, so that is about adding adding text or designing a new section of the website. So this whole thing, the section, what I put there earlier before I added these things is the container. So the container is the one where you now put the items inside it. I want to undo all these that I've just done because I'm not actually doing any editing here. I'm just trying to do it for you to know. So I'm undoing it. Okay. So all that is undone. Now, let's say I want to edit these sections that you are seeing. So you just come, if you want to edit this one, just come and then click on it and then come to the left and edit the text. So any change I make to this text, it will appear here. Then after that, you click on update and you come to the style. Under style, how you want it to appear, how you want the alignment. If you want it to be left center align, left align, right align, justified. You can do all that. Then you can also choose the text color. And then if you come back to the content, we also have the type of heading, the size of it. So if I want it to be very big, just like the way it is, we have H1. If you continue from H1 to H2 means it's going to reduce in size. If I go to H3, it is going to even further reduce in size. I'm going to undo all that because I don't really want to reduce it in size. So I'll just come here and choose H1. Okay. Now, from there, let's say that you want to come and then change this button. The way the button is, let's say you don't want it and you want to change it. You just come and click on it. And then you come and then you can choose the text for the button. Whichever text you put there, it will change here accordingly. So for example, let me say I'm changing the code to request code for free. Or let me make it request free code. Request free code. So you can see it has changed accordingly. And then when you publish it, it will just be updated, but I'm not going to publish it. Okay, I've just remove it. Then you come. If you want to edit any text here, it's just the same procedure where you just click and come here and edit it. You want to click this one, you want to edit, click it, and then come and edit. So that is exactly how you can edit any page on the WordPress website. Now, let me show you how to edit. This is the home page. Let me show you the other pages. I'm going to show you the other pages. So let's say we want to edit the services section. Yeah. So if we want to edit the services section, so when we come here, you just click in to come to that particular page. And then when you come, you click on edit with Elementor again. And with the same procedure, if you want to change any part, just come and click it and then edit it. If we want to change this part, we come and edit and then change it. Now, I'll also show you when I was speaking about editing the front page, I didn't talk about how to change the footer section. So with the footer section, I have done a custom video on how to design the footer section of your website. You can check in the description of this video and you will be able to follow that one. That one is specifically for the footer. Okay. Now, if you want to edit the header, so let me show you how to edit the header section of your site. So let's say you are here. Let me just go back one step. I'm going to edit the header. But I want you to know that what I showed you about how to edit the home page and the services page is the same thing you can follow to edit any other page. Now let's go to how to edit the header section. So with the header, you go to customize. Okay, so when you come to customize, you will choose which part of the header you want to edit. So let's say you want to edit when you go to, let's go to header builder. So let's say you want to rearrange the way it appears. So you see that all these are in a straight line. So that is what you see here, side logo. Then you see the primary menu or the main menu. Then you see the button. The button here is core. So if you see that they are all in the same line, if I want this one to come below it, I'll just drag this and drop it down. If I drop it down, it will appear below here. But I want it to be the way it is. So when you click here, you can click and drag and rearrange it, and it will just follow the way you want it. Now, let's say you want to change the logo. Just click on side logo and click on remove, and then you can easily remove it and change the one you want. Let's say you want to change the primary, you want to edit the primary menu. So when you come here, you will see configure menu here. Then you can just rearrange the way it should appear here. You can do it. Then you can also go to site identity. Okay, the site identity is how your website will be seen in the tabs. So you see all these tabs, you see that their websites logos are showing, and this one it is not showing. So normally if you come and then change it here, it is supposed to update. Now in some cases, the reason why it may not show is that sometimes maybe you have updated it and it's not updating. So if you update it and it's not updating, you need to clear the cache on your website and update it again, and it will just take effect. For this one, it is showing. The only reason why it is not showing to me is because I have logged into it. If it is an outsider that is watching, to show to them. For example, let me just show you how it is going to appear to someone who is an outsider. So as you can see here, you see the logo is showing here, but it's because I had logged in. That is why it doesn't show that way to me. So let me just go back to where I was editing. Okay, so far I've showed you how to use it to edit a page, how to use it to customize the header. And then I also told you that I have a video I have done earlier on how to design the footer. In fact, that video on how to design the footer also had a component for the header, but I just indicated the footer section. But you can use it to design the header or the footer. Okay. Now, let's say that you want to add a map to your contact us section. So let me show you how to do that. That one, you come to your contact us. We're in contact us section. Yeah, so when you want to add a map, you can, let me just show you once again. If you want to add a map to your site, you will first of all click on Edit with Elementor. Okay, so you edit with Elementor, and you come here and choose maps. You choose maps. So you can put it here as an example. Come here, you click on the map. Okay, so when you click on the map, it will show here the HTML code. And then you come to your site. And then when you come to the location you want to add, just click on share. Then you click on copy. No, you click on embed map and then click on copy HTML. Then you come here. Okay, so highlight this one and then replace it with the one you have copied. So when you replace it with, it will show exactly the location. So then you click on update. So you can see the location is automatically updated. Let me also show you how to add these motion effects. You see the way the pictures are, yeah, you see this effect of how the pictures are moving. Yeah, you can add that effect. This is how to do it. Okay. So you come to the picture you want to edit. So for example, let's say I want to edit this picture. Then go to advanced. Okay. Then you scroll down and you will see motion effects. Motion effects. Then when you come to motion effects, you will see animation. Normally, when you come here, you will see none. So you will click and choose whether you want fading, and under the fading, we have fading and fade in down, fade in left, fade in right, zoom in. You have different types of animation. So for example, let me choose currently it is under the fading. Okay. So let me try a different one, then we see how it will be. You see how it is. So that's the fading. fading down. You see how that one is. Then we can go to fading up. See how that one is. We can go to, I'm trying, it seems there is another one called zoom. I haven't gone to that one yet. So let me change this one to, okay, let me count. This is none. I want to change it to a different one. Okay, let's go to the zoom in. Zoom in. You see how that one is. That's how the zoom in is. Can go to zoom down. You see how that one is. Yeah, so those are interesting animations. So if you follow this, you are going to be able to edit your WordPress website and into a very professional one. You can check in the description of this video for other more videos relating to WordPress. And you can also follow the WhatsApp and Telegram link in the description of this video to contact us for help. But we do that as an affordable price. Maybe you want to contact us to help you build your website or to build a website for you or to take you through a training on how to develop a very professional website. You can contact us for that service. We also do digital marketing, how to run advert and all that. Thank you once again for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell and like this video. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.